You've got a cupboard of booze that you don't know what to do with, what to mix with what to put in where. There's no need to fret because there's someone here to help you. He's not just a man, he's an idiot too. The cocktail idiot, yes, it's the cocktail idiot. It's cocktail time with your host, me, Jonty, the cocktail idiot, and Georgie, the camera lady.
And me.
And you, and me, and you, and you. That was to the people at home.
We got that.
Right, today we're going to be making a jungle bird. So this video, we're going to switcheroo. So Georgie decided that people are more interested in making the drink than listening to my history talk. So we're going to make the drink, and then you can sip sophisticatedly on your drink as you learn about the history of what you are drinking.
Exactly.
A very vague and...
No, very in-depth description about one tiny piece of history.
Exactly. So, cocktail first. So the jungle bird. You are going to need dark rum. You're going to need Campari. You're going to need pineapple juice, simple syrup, and a lime.
And any tropical decoration.
And tropical decoration. So this is a tiki cocktail, but it's a tiki cocktail with a tiki twist because you're using Campari, which is unusual in a tiki cocktail. Did I say tiki enough?
Yes, let's move on.
To emphasise the tikiness of it. Right. So you're going to take your dark rum. Oh, you're going to open your dark rum. New bottle of dark rum. And you're going to go with 45 ml. So a little bit under a double.
Oh gosh. Right.
Georgie's favourite measurement. And then you're going to take your pineapple juice and you're going to do the same amount. So 45 ml of your pineapple juice. I put 50 in because what's 5 ml? And then take your lime, your juicy lime, give it a roll. I've always thought it makes a difference. Gets the juices flowing. I'm not convinced anymore. But there we go. Tradition is tradition.
Okay.
You are then going to need 15 ml of your lime. I was going to say pineapple juice. This isn't pineapple juice. Well, most of my lime is going all over the bar.
Right.
I need some more lime. More limey. George, you're not going to like this cocktail because it's got
Campari.
one of your least favourite ingredients in.
I know.
And that is Campari.
2 weeks in a row.
Is it?
You're delivering my favourite cocktails.
Oh, you don't get good service at this bar. Then your Campari, same amount as your lime, so 15 ml. So it's not a huge amount, it's just going to add that nice bitterness to the cocktail. The bitterness that Georgie so despises. And then your simple syrup is your sweetener, so sort of your own preference, but we're going to do about half a shot. And in it goes. Just like that. And then you need to shake it up with some ice. And then smile and shake. Hey?
Your shirt, it makes you look like a block.
What do you mean it makes me look like a
It's
block?
just like a jungle block, and then it's just a block.
Distract me from my shake. Extra hard shake because they've got pineapple in, so it's going to add you a little bit of froth. It does a little bit like what egg does, but it isn't actually.
And anyone who speaks better English, a little bit, you know.
Did I not put my T's in?
Yes.
God, this one's stubborn. Boom, boom.
For those of you who could, have you explained what you're trying to do?
Trying to open the tin. There we go.
Wasn't hitting it on
It's
the
my
right
muscles.
spot.
Right. And then I'm going to serve it in this red wine glass.
Huh?
And we are going to serve it with crushed ice. I came prepared, made some crushed ice. Ooh, throwing it all over the floor.
Now it's going to go everywhere.
Got most of it in the glass.
Yeah, most
Not
of the
bad
glass
for me.
is ice. Yeah.
Throwing it everywhere today. In that goes. Then you want to top it up with some more ice.
Fruit punch.
Fruity punch. Just a drop more. A little bit more ice on top. And then, so the jungle bird, it's meant to look a little bit like a jungle, like a bird.
Like a bird.
So, ideally, what it should be garnished with is pineapple plumage.
Could be, yeah.
But I have not remembered to buy pineapple, so we are going to use mint, because I think mint will make it look sort of bloomage.
Sort of like a jungle.
Exactly. So we're going to stuff some mint in, and then you do serve it also, garnish it with a cherry.
Look how pretty that is, eh? A cherry.
Put a cherry on there.
Maybe it should be two cherries sticking out like eyes. I'm having
What?
a laugh. No.
Oh right. Oh, you're trying to be funny.
Yeah.
Sorry, it catches me off guard. And then we do some advertising, George.
Tiki cocktail, you can let anything in.
Like that. And then a little straw. And there we have one jungle bird. It's history time, the most exciting part of the video. We've gone through the making of it, now you can sit down and enjoy and learn by me. So
Brilliant.
it's probably not very correct or factual.
Lovely.
But, right, so the history of the jungle bird. It was created as a welcome drink for the opening of the Kuala Lumpur Hilton Hotel on the 6th of July 1973. I couldn't remember that date, so I had to read it. And it was created by the beverage manager called Jeffrey Ong. I love the word beverage manager. Not bar manager, not drinks manager, beverage manager.
I think there's probably quite a lot of people with that name.
What, beverage
Title.
manager?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm the beverage manager of here. Yeah. Anyway, the hotel bar was called the Aviary, hence the name the Jungle Bird. And apparently, according to the world of Google,
Yes.
you could see the birds from the hotel bar. You could look out the windows to the swimming pool, and they had an aviary of birds, I suppose it's called.
Would have been
But
my favourite place.
It would have been, but the birds were freed by the Colombian general manager who came in, called Richard Tapler.
Oh,
And he came in and went, no more birds, and set them free.
Nice.
But sadly the hotel, I think it changed its name, and then it got demolished in 2013 for development purposes, presumably to build houses or flats.
Obviously.
Or offices or many other things. What else can I say? So, oh yeah, originally it was served in like a ceramic, that's the word I'm looking for, sort of bird vessel type thing, and it was sipped through the tail, which is quite
That's
funky.
a bit odd.
But then they were so popular they got stolen, and then they ended up having to serve it in like a stemmed wine goblet
Too many
with a
Brits
little
abroad.
bird. Yeah, the Brits abroad nicked it. But it did become the national cocktail of Malaysia. And when Jeffrey Ong died in 2019, at the age of 71, if anyone's interested, the newspaper, like, what's the write-up called?
Obituary?
Yeah, obituary. Yeah, the obituary. They said that he was the creator of Malaysia's only internationally recognised classic cocktail.
Well
And
done,
there we
then.
go. That's the history of it. It sort of became very popular again when the rise of the Negroni started coming back. The
Mainly
comeback
because
from the
what
Negroni because of
everybody-
the Campari.
I was going to say, is that just because everyone got the Campari and they thought, what other drink
Yeah.
can we have with
What
this?
other drink can I make? I know. A jungle bird.
Have a drink then.
So there we go. Chin chin. That's it. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. I feel I said that in the wrong order.
Oh, do it in any order.
You can do it in any order you like. Like,
Yeah.
subscribe,
And then
comment.
tell us if you're a beverage manager.
And then if you're a beverage manager, let me know.
Yeah.
Because I'd like to meet you. That sounded a bit weird. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. See you next time.